Guys and girls, it's Know It time!
Alright, so today I'm going to teach you how to do algebraic drawings. Remember that worksheet I assigned yesterday? There were some drawings that said don't do it yet because you're not ready. Now I'm going to show you how to do algebraic drawings. And every textbook is different on how they show algebraic drawings. So it depends what textbook you're using, but the concept is always the same. So guys and gals, it's Know It time. Your favorite time of the day. Here is your lesson. I'm going to write a few things down. Shade equals to negative. If I shade something in, I'm going to assume it's negative because it's dark, and so as we assume it's going to be negative. That's what you need to know. When you work with your textbook, they have different colors. Green is positive, red, and all this stuff. It's too confusing. I'm going to keep it simple. When you see something that's shaded, we know it's going to be negative. You got to know symbols. When you see a bar like this represents X. Very simple. When you see a dark bar, so let's shade this in. So take a minute and just shade this in. Guess what that represents now? Negative X. See, because I said shade is negative, so this is negative X. That's what you got to know. If you see a little square, that represents 1. Okay? Very, very simple concept. If you see a little shaded square, guys, I'm pretty sure you can figure out what this, Stephen, what this is represent. Negative 1. There's my symbols. A rectangle represents X. A square represents 1. Here is how I'm going to give you this question. They're going to say, create an equation. We're not solving yet. We'll solve it together after your equation is correct for this drawing. Let's see how we can figure this out. Let's see who can figure this out. I'm gonna pause it. Let's start off with who haven't I picked on for a long time? Dilpreet, I haven't picked on you for a while. Look at the left side, Dilpreet. What do you think the equation is gonna be on the left side? 2x minus 1 is correct. So you have an equal right here. Marissa, what's on the right hand side? Positive 3. Guys, you gotta solve it now. 2x minus 1 equals to 3. 2 is correct because we use algebra skills. Remember, move the minus 1 over. 2x equals to 4. X equals to 2. Once you get the hang of algebra, a lot of you can do this in your head just by looking at it. That's the level you want to be at for grade 10. Grade 10s have to train to look at it, just to look at it and give me the answers. Guys and gals, a bit more challenging. Solve this on your own. I'm going to walk around this time. I'm going to say who can and who can't do this. Oop, that should be a square. Let's rewrite this again. Equals to I'm going to shade this in. That's the only thing that's shaded right there. Your job is to create an equation and solve it. I'm going to pause it. I'm going to create an equation on the left side. Rajan, what's the equation going to be on the left side? 3 plus 2x. But I'm going to rewrite this properly. 2x plus 3. Okay? Because I always write x first. Jordan, what's the equation on the right side going to be? Negative x plus 2 is correct. Now, I move all the x's to one side. Tyro, what did I move over right now? I moved the negative x. If I move it to this side, Tyro, what does it become? So it'll be 2x, good, plus 3 plus x equals to 2. See? I'm just moving it over. Practice it over and over again. I get 3x equals to 2 minus 3. I jumped a lot of steps there. You should be able to follow. 3x equals to negative 1. Here's where some of you went wrong. Some of you brought the 3 over and said, hey, Mr. No, the answer is x equals to equals to 3 divided by negative 1. That's the error right there. The reason why is the larger number does not always go on top. Whatever number is on this side, whatever that is, that's the number that goes on top. So you should have negative 1 over 3, which is indeed negative 0.33. Voila. I'm going to give you another question. This time I want you to create your drawing. I want you to draw this for me. Good luck. I want you to create a drawing that says 4x minus 2 equals to negative 2x plus 5. I want to draw it. Just like the game. Well, what's that game called in that app? Really popular app. Guess Who? No, not Guess Who. Draw something, that's it. Draw something. If you did this correct, I'm going to draw a quick sketch. Joey, how many rectangles do I have? Am I going to shade them in? Nope. I don't have to shade it in. Sufin, how many squares do I have? 2. Am I going to shade it in? Yep. So guys, gals, you should have something like this. And I'm going to quickly do this. A shade, and you should have 5 boxes. Voila. That is the end of your algebra unit. Here's what we're going to do. I'm going to give you a review booklet. You're going to work on this review booklet, but before you do that, I have